boys. I might as well say boys, haven't I? Why? Right guys, I'm going to show you how to do the sickest Reese bass like this in 5 steps. Step 1, get the vital. We're going to go sine wave, next oscillator, saw wave, another oscillator, got a 12 up. I'm going to spread this one. And this one goes to 0, minus 48. Effects, we're going to go compress, distort and drive, filter it, get rid of that, drive it a bit if we want. Okay, next step, go macro 1, turn the macro up like that, and it's going global, voice tune, voice transpose, enter value 24. Cool. I'm sure you could do a little bit of reverb. Could do a bit of notches. Bit of notches in here. For the distortion I normally do. Just a little bit in the mix.